Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's your favourite flogger of them all? It's a bit biased, this. It's a hairman! Hey, right. God knows why I did that. Because I was checking the back of my hair. That's why, before I vlogged. Right, images, videos, who can you trust? There's many companies you can trust. Many companies been around a long time that you can trust with a hair system. Hint, 25 years, guys. But yeah, there's many good companies out there that give good advice. The more companies who do videos and that kind of stuff, sorry, I couldn't resist it. More companies that got pictures. Just 6,000 on Flickr, guys. So, right, okay. So there's self-promotion. I got to stop that. Right. So going back to the internet. This is one that really frustrates me. It's generally Far East companies. We're forever, or Ben, the marketing guy, is approaching them with copyrights using our videos. On Facebook recently, there was a company just selling, I think it's hair systems. They used 2 of our videos. Funny enough, they never select me. I'm not good enough to go in them, that's why. It's all the young guys, and just showing a fitting and then saying $49 for a hair system. Oh, so it's shocking, you know, and there's plenty of people that fall for it because you can see the shares that are going on and so forth. So, Ben every week has got to approach people and get them removed. Facebook's really bad at the moment with people taking stuff. The biggest one, right, is obviously Quiff. You've always probably known Quiff and Stevie Pretty Boy, and that system that went viral, went mental. That was my hair system I designed for him before I let him go, and it looks fantastic, even though he peeled it off his head, which is ridiculous, right? That's just like information that is not good, right, to give people, because there's a little bit more to it than that to get this right. So yeah, but that system was, I think there's something like 20 million views, and for a Quiff, yeah, it was my design. Hey ho, but a lot of people worked it out and came and see me. But yeah, so it's a constant battle. So look, there's 10 internet companies that have been around forever, and there's a reason for that, because they've created a good service, consistent, reasonable prices and so forth. So there is some good guys, but be mindful of the social media, especially when you see fantastic looking hair systems and then $49 to look that good. It's just embarrassing, and I hope people realise that hair system is a work of art, and it can. Well, our systems, they take a while to make. There's no cutting corners, like the bleach knots. We don't bleach knots. We get the base colour right. We get the lace colour right, which is a lot more difficult than people realise. Getting the fabric colours, because there's all sorts of things that got to be done for that. I played a big part in that, which I will self-promote. And then lightening of the hair root to make it blend, rather than bleaching the out of a system, and then and putting it on someone's head. So there's there's many reasons why hair systems are good. And there's many reasons why people just cut corners, and jump on the bandwagon and claim it's theirs. But there's a fantastic saying that I absolutely love, right? I can't remember who said it to me. If you don't know how you got it, you lose it. I'll end on that. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below. And have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.